Hello guys. As you can see, it's snowing a lot here. It's a snowstorm. And it's a lot of snow. I think it's gonna be up to 4 to 8 inches of snow. And as you can see, there's like snow everywhere. Of course, there's snow everywhere along with me. And I don't have school today because of the snow. Yeah, and I just can't wait to go outside and play in the snow soon. So I'm just gonna let you guys look at it. Soon guys, I will be creating vlog channels and I will be vlogging for like a long time, like 14 minutes and stuff like that. And like what I'm doing in my daily life. And I'll go outside more and vlog too. And yeah. So I'll upload another video like this when I'm outside playing in the snow or something like that. And yeah, peace guys.